Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies easy without brown sugar. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need softened butter, white granulated sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and your favorite chocolate chips. Using white sugar gives a crispier cookie texture. Ensure your butter is truly softened, not melted, for the best results. Now, in a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and white granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in your eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic cookie aroma. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in about 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 to 3 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious, easy cookies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.